This is it! The weigh-ins for Storm Damage 9 professional cage fighting in the capital, sanctioned by Storm Combat Authority. Fights are full professional rules. Live from the auditorium at Arundel Viking Club ACT. Gates open at 6 p.m, fights start at 7. First up, we've got the first fight. It's a 3x3 minute round fight. In the middleweight division, we're looking for 83.9 kilos on the scales. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner from 2800 in Orange, New South Wales, Kevin Orridge. Kevin has made weight. Move on now to fight 2 of the evening. It's another 3x3 round fight. In the welterweight division this time, we're looking for 77.1 kilos on the scale. Fighting out of the blue corner from Adelaide, South Australia, Eddie Albee. Eddie has made weight 77.1 kilos. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner from Brotherhood, New South Wales, Newcastle, Nathan Walters. $75.8. Introducing now fight 3 of the evening, 3x3 minute rounds. In the women's Bantamweight division, fighting out of the blue corner from ATT Wentworthville, New South Wales, Alessia Little Rebel Espinosa Valve. $57.4, she's made weight. And her opponent fighting out of the red corner from Brotherhood MMA Newcastle, Mel Zeman. $61.3, she's made weight too. And now, fight 4 of the evening. Another 3x3 minute round fight. In the featherweight division, fighting out of the blue corner from Highlands MMA Mossvale, Damien Shanahan. 66.6, he's made weight. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner from Storm MMA Goulburn, Ryan Coconut Green. Ryan has made weight 66.7 kilos. Fight 5 of the evening now. This is a middleweight contest, 3x3 minute rounds, and introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner from 2800 in Orange, New South Wales, Jeremy Uda Charles Layton. $82 even, he's made weight. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner from Storm MMA in Canberra, Dean Maxwell. $82.9, he's made weight. And now, fight 6 of the evening, our first title fight. This fight will be a 5x3 minute round fight for the vacant Storm Damage Flyweight title. Introducing first, the challenger, fighting out of the blue corner from MDMMA, from Young, New South Wales, Luke Scrappy Apps. 57.8, he's made weight. And now, the other challenger from the red corner and Brotherhood MMA in Newcastle, Ben Mason. 57.3, he's made weight. And now, fight 7 of the evening. This one's for the Storm Damage Bantamweight title. Introducing first, the challenger, fighting out of the blue corner from ATT Wentworthville, New South Wales, Lou, last man standing. 61.2, he's made weight. Introducing now, the Storm Damage Bantamweight champion with an undefeated record of 2-0, fighting out of the red corner and Warhammer MMA Nara, Jarrett Wilbraham. 59.6, he's made weight. Introducing now the 8th fight of the evening and the 3rd Storm Damage title on the line. This will be a 5x5 minute fight in the lightweight division. Introducing first, the challenger from the blue corner and ATT Wentworthville, New South Wales, Razor Ray Quintana. 70.4, he's made weight. And now, introducing the undisputed Storm Damage lightweight champion with an undefeated record, fighting out of the red corner in Brotherhood MMA Newcastle, Luke Pang. 69.7, he's made weight. Introducing now fight 9 of the evening. This one's the last one on the card. And the 4th title fight of the evening. The big boys are in town for the Storm Damaged Light Heavyweight title. Introducing first, the challenger on a 2-fight win streak, one of which by knockout from the blue corner and Balance Academy of BJJ in Newcastle, David Fingers Marley. 92.7, he's made weight. And now, introducing the reigning, defending, Storm Damaged Light Heavyweight Champion, who won the fight by knockout, fighting out of the red corner in Storm MMA, Koka! 93.4, he's made weight. And that'll do us here for the Storm Damaged 9's weigh-ins. Storm Damaged 9 is proudly brought to you by Grand Manor Motor Inn, Sign Lime, New Look Floors, Aussie Subs Arundale, Gastune, SMAI, Planet Max, Raven Fightwear, A+ Towing, Canberra Containers, Robbo's, Harley Davidson, One Media Productions, Paul Bearers, Fishwick Tyre Service, Fighters Against Child Abuse, and Storm MMA. See you all tomorrow live at the Auditorium at Arundale Vikings Club. Gates open at 6 p.m. For information and tickets, go to stormmma.com.au. Storm Damaged, let it rain.